Ooh! Spooky Stories with Soraya is back, and I'm back with a good one. This one is one that everyone fears, and one that sends a chill down your spine. The one that has your wallet screaming out in fear. The massive power bill monster. Sit back, relax, and listen to a tale of such epic scariness that you'll be triple checking your electricity bills from here on out. Sarah nearly fainted when she saw it. Over $550, a massive energy bill, a total monster. She knew something was wrong, and she knew exactly who to blame. The new AC unit. It had to be. She immediately called the technician who installed it, and when he arrived, she pushed the bill into his hand. "You just installed the unit 6 months ago, and now my light bill is outrageous," she accused. The young technician, probably works at Kalos, a true professional, went to work because he knew this AC unit was not the culprit. He checked everything, the heat strips, the blower, the efficiency. He told her everything checked out perfectly, but she didn't believe him. Her friend, an older gentleman from the electric company, had told her the AC unit was definitely the problem. The technician insisted on looking around the house and started talking about things like her new pool pump and their water heater circulation pump. "That is a lie," she told him. "My friend from the electric company says it's the air conditioning," because neither Sarah nor the technician could prove why the previous energy bill was so high. They could only wait until the next month's statement to draw conclusions. They enlisted the help of another friend who had an electric meter. He hooked it up to the AC unit and allowed it to run for the entire month. In August, we're talking blistering heat here, people. When the new bill had arrived, Sarah was shocked. The air conditioner only used about $130 of power for the entire month. The rest of the bill was a terrifying patchwork of hidden energy vampires she had ignored. The swimming pool pump, $120. The hot water circulating pump, $70. The old desk lamp with a 120-volt bulb, another $70. The 30-year-old deep freezer in the garage, $35. The total was shocking, and she was horrified to realize that her own home was haunting her. She had created her own personal energy vampires, each one silently feeding on her wallet, creating a massive power bill monster. Mwahaha! Sorry. She learned a valuable lesson that day. Sometimes the things you think are to blame aren't really the problem at all. Sometimes the biggest horror stories are the ones we create ourselves. And remember, a properly sized HVAC system for your space is never going to be a part of your home horrors, especially when installed by a company you trust, like Kalos. We've got a comfort advisor who works hard to ensure you get the best deal with the proper sizing, so you'll never have to worry about that super scary electrical bill being your AC's fault.